But you cannot remove the fact that ikaw ay involved sa Pogo. Whether you deny it or not, kaming lahat dito naniniwala talaga na involved ka sa Pogo. Kung mag-insist ka, you can tell it to the Marines, not to the policeman.
Thank you for that. I'll go to, we also took a look at the disbursement. So ito yung mga pumapasok na pera. We have established about 5.8 billion pumasok to the accounts of Alice Goo, QJJ Embroidery, QJJ Farm, Q Genetics, all being led by Alice Goo, either as chairman of the board or the president of the company. We also look at the disbursements, kung saan pumupunta yung pera. And interestingly, may nakita kaming based on the reports that we saw, that in the Alice Goo accounts, nag-issue siya ng 1.2 billion, 1.1 billion in a span of from 2018 to 2024. These are the checks issued during those times. Pumasok 1.9 billion to his account, lumabas 1.1 billion between 2018 and 2024. And I keep emphasizing itong time frame dahil dito pinatayo yung Pogo Hub sa Bamban. No? Dito nag-umpisa mabuo, no, yung Pogo Hub sa Bamban. So I would like to ask si Ms. Go Huaping, sino yung mga binayaran nitong mga checks na ito?
Sen, I think may record po sa office para po dun sa mga payees po ng mga checks.
But tell me, sabihin mo na, I'm sure may naaalala ka ano yung mga binayaran nitong mga checks na ito during 2018 to 2023. And we have the record so we can validate it.
Actually, opo, Sen, mababalidate nyo naman po. Pero definitely wala pong sinasabi nyo po na pinatayo po ng Pogo Hub po sa Bamban po. Yan po yung para sa farm lang po.
Pero hindi mo masabi saan nanggaling yung pera. Ba't hindi mo rin masabi saan pumunta yung pera?
Sen, dahil po may sinampa na po sa akin kaso po sa AMLAC. Kaya
Kasi pag titignan natin yung
right
timeline before 2018, halos walang lumalabas sa account mo. No, makikita natin 19 million, 16 million, biglang naging 200 million, 2019, 292 million, 2020. Exactly the same time nung pinapatayo yung Pogo Hub sa Bamban. So gusto namin malaman ngayon kung sino yung mga binabayaran nitong account na ito, amounting to 1.1 billion pesos. So just give us 1, 2, 3 suppliers, payees.
Sen, di ko po talaga maalala po yung mga payees po. Pero for sure po, mache-check po
Are you
namin.
willing to submit it to the committee?
Ito double check ko po kung nasa amin pa po yung mga records po.